These are solutions to exam 2 for Milham's Math 120-820. Number 1, the domain is just a set of all x values, so 3, -5, 11. Range is a set of y values, 10, 16, and 30. It is a function. Any one x gives you only one possible y. Number 2, f of 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. G of 3 is -3 times 3 plus 2. That's -9 plus 2 is -7. And then just asked to add them up. So f of 6 plus g of 3 is 3 minus 7, or -4. Number 3, it asks for f of g of 3. So first thing I need to do is figure out g of 3. So g of 3 means put 3 right there. So that's 5 times 3 minus 21. 15 minus 21 is -6. So f of g of 3 is f of -6. So I plug -6 into the f function. That's -4 times -6 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25. Number 4, y varies inversely with the square of x. So inversely with the square of x means y equals k over x squared. Put a 50 here and a 10 here. So 50 equals k over 10 squared, which is 100. Multiply both sides by 100. So k is 5,000. So y is 5,000 over x squared. And now they tell me to plug in 4. So y is 5,000 over 4 squared, or 312.5. Number 5, x plus y equals 9. I pick the intercepts 0, 9, and 9, 0. Connect them. X minus y equals 3. Intercepts are 0, -3, and 3, 0. Connect them, and they touch at the point 6, 3. Number 6, multiply the top equation by -2. That gives me -2x plus 6y equals -x. Leave the second one alone, add them up. X drops out, y drops out, 0 equals -1. You can't have that, so no solution. Okay, number 7, substitution, subtract 5y on both sides of the second equation. X equals 6 minus 5y, and then you pick that up and plug it right in there. So 5 times x, here's x, 5 times 6 minus 5y minus 2y equals 3. Distribute 30 minus 25y minus 2y equals 3. Subtract 27 on both sides, subtract 30 on both sides. -27y equals -27. That means y equals 1. Plug back in here, that means x is 1. So the point is 1, 1. Number 8, let x be the amount at 6%, y is the amount at 7%. X plus y has to equal 2,000. And the total interest is 6% of x plus 7% of y is equal to 126. And you can make this nicer if I multiply both sides by 100. That's going to be a 6x. That's going to be a 7y. So I'll multiply the top equation by -6. So I'll have a -6x and a positive 6x, the next step to drop out. So -6x minus 6y equals -12,000. 6x plus 7y equals 12,600. Add them up. Y equals $600 at 7%. And they have to add up to 2,000. So x is 1,400 at 6%. Okay, and a double check. 7% of 600 is 42. 6% of 1,400 is 84. If you add them up, you do indeed get $126 of interest, as was required by the prop. Right, so these are the answers to exam 2 for Milham's Math 120-820.